Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Royal Kitchen. Today, we're making something absolutely irresistible, a delicious, flaky, and mouth-watering meat pie. Get ready, because this recipe will make your kitchen smell like heaven. We begin by frying our chopped onions in a little oil over medium heat. Can you smell that already? Wow, so inviting. Next, we add a bit of ginger. This step is optional, but trust me, it gives your meat pie that special zing. Now it's time for the star of the show, 2 kilograms of grounded meat. Oh wow, look at that richness. Let's season it up. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. Mix everything together gently. The aroma at this stage is unbelievable. Next, we add diced potatoes and carrots. You can use as much as you like. They add color, crunch, and that sweet balance to the meat. Pour in some water, cover it up, and allow it to steam beautifully. Then, add your thickener, a simple mixture of flour and water, and give it a good stir. Cover again and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Wow, look at that filling. Thick, juicy, and bursting with flavor. That's exactly what makes a meat pie irresistible. Now let's move to the second part, our soft, buttery dough. Take 2 kilograms of flour and sieve it well to avoid lumps. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 15 grams of baking powder. Then add 800 grams of butter. Yes, butter! This is where the magic happens. Mix it in gently with your fingers until it becomes crumbly and smooth. Now add your mixture of milk and water. Not too much, just enough to form a soft dough. Wow, it's looking so smooth already. Cut the dough into your preferred sizes. Then roll them out nicely. Add your delicious meat filling right in the center. Oh my goodness, this looks so good already. Fold it carefully and press the edges. You can even use the cover of a small pot or a plate to shape it neatly. Wow, just look at that. So beautiful, so perfect. Next, brush the top with beaten egg. This will give it that lovely golden brown shine when it comes out of the oven. Wow, I can already imagine how it'll look. Now place them in your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 45 minutes. And when they come out, oh my goodness, wow, just look at that golden color. So crispy outside, soft and juicy inside. This is pure perfection. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our delicious uploads. Thank you so much for watching Royal Kitchen. See you in our next yummy episode.